This tutorial will teach you how to find dockets using Bloomberg Law. Docket information includes all materials filed by the court or by any party in a court proceeding. Each newly filed action is assigned a docket number. Docket numbers refer to the year in which the case began, followed by a reference number. The number includes letters or numbers indicating the type of court in which the case was filed, whether civil, criminal, or a special court, like a family or military court. The court uses the docket sheet to log each action chronologically. Each entry in the docket sheet notes the date and provides a description of each document filed. These include both documents generated by the court and documents generated by the parties. For example, the Google Books case, Authors Guild Inc. versus Google Inc., has the docket number 1:05-CV-08136. The 1 indicates that the case was filed in a federal district court, and the 05 indicates that the papers were initially filed in 2005. Now, let's find the docket for this case on Bloomberg Law. To start your search, log into Bloomberg Law. From the top menu, click on Litigations and Dockets, then click Search Dockets. This will take you to the docket search form where you can begin your search. Here you have several search options. You can search for subject-based cases like cases on patents by using the keyword search. A keyword search will search everything in the docket: the party names, the document names, and the text of the documents themselves, if they're available in Bloomberg Law. Click on Search Help to learn more about how to formulate your search. Or you can search for a specific case. You can search for cases by the case name, the docket number, or the parties to the case. Let's search for the Authors Guild case that I mentioned before. Let's pretend that we don't know the docket number, just the party names, and that the case was filed in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York. First, we'll select our court. As I start to type in my search terms, the U.S. District Court of the Southern District of New York, the name of the court will appear below, and I'll click on it to select it. Now I'll enter the party names. Under Party Options, I'm going to select Multiple Party Entry, and then select Include all of the following. Now I'll type in my party names separated by a semicolon. Additional search options include the name of the judge hearing the case, the attorney or firm involved, and the date range when the case was filed. For this search, I'll leave those blank. Now I'll click Search, and here is my docket. If I click on the case name, it will direct me to the full docket. Here, the first thing I want to do is update the docket to make sure that it includes all recent filings. Then I'll scroll down to review the filing. In the docket proceedings list, the blue numbers indicate the documents that are already available in Bloomberg Law. The green numbers indicate documents that Bloomberg has not yet pulled from Pacer or retrieved from the court. As you can see, the initial complaint against Google is already available. I can just click on the number to view, print, or download the PDF of the document. The second document listed, the summons, has a green number. If I click on it, a box pops up indicating that Bloomberg's fee for collecting this document has been waived. The fee is always waived for law school users. Here I will click Accept and then close the box. After a minute or so, if I refresh this page, the green number will have turned blue if Bloomberg was able to collect the document. Keep in mind that some documents just will not be available. If you aren't able to find a document on Bloomberg Law, you should also check Lexis and Westlaw to see if it's available there.